It's cold. It is so freaking cold. And not to mention, I've been doing terrible, you guys, terrible at vlogging. That's what this is called. I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas right now. Actually, they're not Christmas pajamas. They're like, they are. But they're the leggings, and they've got like little reindeers and Santas and stuff like that. They're super cute. Anyways, I'm wearing them today because I want to be all in the season of the season. Yeah. I have to go to TJ Maxx because tomorrow is the kids' pajama day, and they're doing it because they want people to bring in donation for pajamas for charity. Jason needs pajamas. He has one set of pajamas that are a size 6, and he's a size like 8 right now, 7, 8, and he refuses to get rid of these pajamas, and he wanted to wear them to school tomorrow. And I was like, honey, I cannot let you go to school looking homeless. I'm gonna go get him new pajamas. I tried to have a conversation with him about the fact that at some point we were gonna have to get rid of these jammies because they're a little too small. He had a mental breakdown. It was like he had lost an arm. So I'm like, you know what? You can wear those at home. I don't care if it looks like a crop top. You're waiting for a flood, so be it. Eva wanted new pajamas also. She wants like fuzzy ones. I don't know what that means, but fuzzy. Why is everybody having such a difficult time knowing how to use a stop sign? I don't understand. So I am here at TJ Maxx. We're gonna go inside and see if I can find what I need. I wore this Profusion lip color and I loved it in the video, and now it's like I brushed my teeth and it's like all gone. I didn't brush my lips, I just brushed my teeth.
Ooh, I really like that. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so here's what I was talking about. We got a lion. Oh, I'm gonna get this. All right, I have to find Eva's. I got the shark one. I picked out the shark for Jason.
So I picked out this one for Jason. This is the one that I was looking for. I was hoping to find one for my girlfriend because her son loves sharks also, but they only had one left. So I got him the 7/8 one, which should fit him for this year. It was like perfect when he tried it on right now. Eva's hanging out on the couch. She's not feeling well, but I ended up going in with this one, and it's got like this cute little sequin decal just on one sleeve. It actually doesn't have it on the other one, but it's got 3 little printed cats, and you guys know Eva's obsessed with cats. And then it's got the cute little like ruffled ears at the top. So that is what she's gonna wear tomorrow. Hopefully it's not gonna be too cold, but I'll probably put her in like some leggings and a t-shirt. They typically get really hot throughout the day. I will check back with you guys. I think I'm gonna help Eva with homework for a little bit because I don't know if she's going to school tomorrow. She should be fine. We'll see. She just had a really sore throat, wasn't feeling too great. So we're gonna do some homework, and then I've got to, I wanted to bake up some Chex Mix with Jason, so we'll see how that goes. Let's see if everything's planned.
I'm making a Chex party mix. And I'm mixing up the seasoning salt, so it tastes good and salty for all my filming.
All right, you guys, so I am filming today on my phone because my camera has seemed to have died. If you guys followed me on Twitter, I think it was, on Twitter I posted that my computer charger died. I mean, like, it has been really bad. I really needed to get one, but I was kind of holding off as long as possible. And sure enough, like, I uploaded my video, got everything ready, and it crapped out. So I thought it was like perfect timing. Because of that, I can't edit for Monday's vlog, which is today. So I figured that I would take you guys vlogging with me today, and then we'll probably end up posting tonight's vlog tomorrow if I get it, because I'm supposed to get it tomorrow from Amazon. So it depends on when Amazon delivers it, but I'm gonna be hauling ass to get this vlog up. So the other day I went shopping for Christmas presents. It was a shit show, but this is where I got this sweater, which I'll show you guys really quickly, like some clips and stuff.
This is what I have right now, and I love it for my hair. Ooh, Redken, yes, love Redken. This has been picked through so bad. You got some Baba Plump here, photo ready. What's this one? The Bare Minerals concealer. I love this right here. So good. I'm hoping to find the foundation. I really need another one. How much is that? $7.99. I paid full price for this. Oh, what's this? missing? What is this? Oh, it's cute. This is a complete disaster. This is what I hate. Oh. This is my favorite foundation. Of course, they don't have one. Dang it. Look at how messy this is. This is so terrible.
One of the things I was super excited about was that I found these little facial pads. These are the Shiseido facial cottons, and I've heard really good things about them. Never wanted to spend the money on them because I think it's ridiculous to spend a ton of money on facial pads, but these were $3.99 at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or wherever I got them. So I was like, that is such a steal. So I bought 2 packs because I even needed them anyways. So we'll try them out, see how I like them. I just got back from picking up the kiddos and I did wrap a couple of presents. We're gonna start with cleaning because I can't think unless I'm cleaning. So cleaning is number 1. Okay, so I'm just finishing some PR packages right now. I opened a few, but I wanted to show you guys a few of them because I think you guys would like them. So you guys can see what I'm going to be filming here shortly with. So the first thing I have sent over is from Urban Decay. They sent over their new Naked Fix Powder Foundation. This is the Stay Naked Threesome, and then on the other side, oh, it fell out. But this is the Naked Foundation and then concealer. This is the packaging that I was talking about in one of my videos that I appreciate that they do. They literally send stuff just like this, and it's just the best packaging I've seen for PR. I love it, and they started doing this, I want to say like last couple of ones that they've sent out has been like this, so thank you so much to Urban Decay. But I also got the Aurora palette, which is by Alter Ego. Buxom sent over some of their goodies that I'm going to play with. So, sorry, Pop Beauty sent over these cute little wine glasses, you guys. It says Pop Beauty on them. Where does it say it? It says it somewhere on there. But they sent over these little wine glasses to promote their, like, their pouting liquid lipstick or whatever. But you guys know how much I love the Dollar Lash Club. I talk about them all the time. They are, like, my jam when it comes to lashes because they're super affordable and they work. But they sent me this Christmas gift and they asked me what size I was, so I knew I was getting like something clothing wise. But they sent me this beautiful sweatshirt. It's Victory with a cross in the center, and it comes from this company called Rise and Dew. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put this little note here for you guys so you guys can see. But basically, I just love it. It says, victory doesn't come from us, it comes from above. We live in victory, and not because of what we've done, but because of what he's done. They also have more clothing at riseanddew.com. Definitely would check them out. I will have them linked down below for you guys. I got an extra small, and the material on this is very thick. It's so nice and thick, so I'm definitely gonna wear this. But I had to give a little shout out because number 1, Dollar Lash Club, they've been good to me for the last year or so that I haven't even worked with them. Like, they just send me free lashes, and I promote them because I love them and I truly believe in their brand. But they didn't have to send this to me. And then on top of that, like, I just love the meaning behind this shirt, and I love what it stands for and stuff like that. And especially to get it during the holidays, kind of made me a little teary-eyed when I was doing it on Instagram. So, yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop. So I didn't end up finishing what I needed to do. We had stuff that had to get done, so I had to stop there. This morning I was excited because I thought I was gonna get to film. Amazon sent in my charger because you guys know my charger for my computer just crapped out. I ordered it from Amazon on Sunday night, said it'd be here this morning, which is Tuesday. Sure enough, I get it, and what happens? It doesn't work. I'm like pissed, and at this point, I'm just like, what do I do? Because I normally order it from Amazon. The one that I order is like a knockoff one, and it's like 40 bucks, but still, like, Jeremy always laughs at me because I have to buy one like every couple of months or so. And Jeremy's like, I don't know why you just don't buy the real one. And I'm like, because I'm trying to save some money. Like, I'm still like a stingy bitch. But finally, I think I just gave up. I was so frustrated this morning. Jeremy's like, go out and buy yourself the real Apple charger and just call it good. So, swallowed my pride. I went out, bought the Apple charger, returned the Amazon one that didn't even work. I'm gonna try to film really quickly. I'd like to get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus up first because otherwise, I mean, it's already the 17th. It'll probably like do really terrible, but for those of you guys that like to see what I get, I didn't get the Ultimate this month, and I didn't get the Glam Bag regular, just because I was like, the past couple of months, the $10 bag has been terrible, or $12, whatever they did with the pricing. And then the $50 bag, ever since they released it, it's pretty shitty too. Like, it's not very good. Glam Bag Plus, I feel like, is like the right price point for it, so that's the one I held on to. If you guys want to be entered, you guys know I'm doing a giveaway for every vlog that I'm uploading, so if you guys want to be entered for that giveaway, make sure to put this little emoji down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are doing for this holiday season. What are you guys doing for Christmas or Christmas Eve, whichever one you guys celebrate. I celebrate Christmas Eve with my parents usually. Christmas Day we celebrate with Jeremy's family, but ever since I had kids, we just do Christmas Day. So let me know down below what you guys are going to be doing. I'm going to be, the next vlog should be a lot more fun, you guys, because I feel like the next vlog, Jeremy and I are going Christmas shopping together. We're going to finish our Christmas shopping for the kids. We're going to take the kids to go look at lights all around Illinois or Chicago area, and some here in Indiana. And then we're also going to, we're going to make cookies for Santa. And then a new vlog will be up on the 23rd. I'm going to take the 24th and the 25th off, obviously, and then we'll be back to resume our final postings for the rest of the year. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.